My name is Kelsey Lambert and I am the marketing liaison for J29. I have been with J29 about 6-8 months or so. I love to build relationships. I love to meet people. I love to just kind of talk with our clients on a day-to-day basis. I love to play volleyball. I love to create and play with my kids.
I'm Zimmer. I'm the main editor here at J29. I've been working here for about 3 months. Most of what I do here is cut up clips and put together and structure client videos. And usually what I like to do for fun is hang out with friends and play video games.
My name is McLaren. I'm the video specialist here at J29. I've been working here for about 2.5 years. And what I do is work with clients on making their vision like a reality through video. And something interesting about me is I'm a semi-professional video game player.
I'm Kevin Kwok, the founder of J29 Creative Group. So we've been around for about 6 years here in Kansas City. What I do here at J29 is really oversee the direction of the team as a whole and ensure that we're in line with our vision.
My name is Salzer. I helped start J29 back in the day, and I help manage social media and more so help clients be successful on social media. What I love doing outside of work, lots of things, most notably playing soccer, chilling with my little dog, Yuki.
My name is Toby and I've been working at J29 for about 1.5 years now. I'm the internal media specialist here at J29, which means I mainly focus on creating content for J29 specifically. I enjoy playing soccer, going outside, and spending time with friends. 3, 2,